Hello and welcome to the Uma Show. I hope your year started well, you're feeling and looking your best and you're doing your best. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to plump up your lips naturally. Now, who doesn't want plumper lips, right? I am super scared of injectables, so I'm always looking for natural ways, but no judgment against injectables. I mean, I've seen some beautiful lips. But you know what? I have some techniques that have worked for me always, and I thought I'll share with you all those techniques. It's a combination of things, it's not just one thing. And today I'm going to show you all those things that I do at least once in a week, and that's kept my lips quite healthy and plump and also smooth. So let's start. These are my lips right now, and then we'll do all those techniques and see after. So you will know how this helps the lips. So the muscles around our lips, these muscles are called orbicularis oris. So what we are going to do right now is activate these muscles, increase the blood circulation. Because what happens when we don't activate these muscles, they start to droop and they start to get saggy and they also become dry over time. And so our lips become smaller than usual. So what we are going to do is activate these muscles, increase the blood circulation, and eventually that will increase the collagen production. So how do we do that? We'll take a few drops of oil and we're going to apply on our lips and around our lips. So we'll activate this area and increase the blood circulation. So we'll tap, tap, tap on this area. I'm looking at the mirror and on the camera sometimes. But you can be in front of the mirror and do this just for a few seconds. So tap, tap, tap. Once we are done with tap, 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 we'll pinch, pinch, pinch. So we'll just smaller movements on our lips and around our lips. Few seconds. I already feel the sensation. Once we are done with that, we'll do a face yoga technique to plump our lips. So what we are going to do, we'll take these 4 fingers, keep on our lips, and try to push our lips towards the hands, these fingers, and push our fingers back towards the lips. Like this. So we're working against each other, the lips and the finger. Keep for a few seconds and release. Keep for a few seconds and release. You can do it 10 times. Once we are done with that, what we are going to do is wipe off the oil around our lips and now hold the muscles around our lips from the corner of one side of the lip to the other. So we'll use these 5 fingers, these 2 fingers and the thumb. So you got it. So you're going from one corner to the other corner and you're pulling the lips out. By doing that, we're actually activating and working on the orbicularis oris muscles. I already feel this area so much. After we are done with that, I have made a lip plumping scrub. It has honey, brown sugar and cinnamon. All homemade, all natural ingredients. You can even eat it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this, apply on my lips. It has cinnamon, so you will get that sensation that is very healthy for your lips. Once you apply, slowly we'll scrub the lip out. Just small circular motion, not too aggressive, very softly, because this lip area is very sensitive. But you'll enjoy doing it, I promise you that. It's kind of therapeutic and it smells so good. So I'm sure you will enjoy it. Once your scrubbing is done, I'm going to apply it on my lips and keep it for a few minutes. This is how it looks. Right now, this is how I'm looking. It's on my teeth. But you can eat it. That's the beauty of it. So keep it for a few minutes and then you can wash it off or wipe it off. So I just washed my lips after the mask that I applied. I actually kept it for a good 5 to 7 minutes. I like the sensation that cinnamon was giving, and I'm still getting that sensation actually. And I truly feel my lips are plumped up. I'm going to apply a little bit of oil just to moisturize. Now I'll show you my lips that's plumped up after this, all these natural techniques that I did.